If you're looking at your financial health heading into the new year, don't forget to factor in the cost of your physical health. Studies have shown that people will choose to delay medical care or skip it altogether because of cost. Here to help make sense of healthcare and personal finance is Laura Adams, author and host of the Money Girl podcast. In your view, what is the first step to overcoming this fear of spending money on something that you need, like medical care, and asking for help to pay for it?
So medical bills, medical expenses are an investment in yourself. They are an investment in your future well-being. If you put off care, and could be even just a dental checkup, it could be something small like that, versus something big where you're not feeling well and you're not seeking care because you don't really even want to know, if there's a bad outcome there, a bad answer. The problem is health issues compound, right? Also, I always tell people, if you've got medical bills, don't pay for them with a credit card. If you cannot afford those bills, putting them on a credit card is not going to help you. Medical debt has some favorable treatment in terms of how it's reported on your credit report, for instance. It also gives you some options when it comes to negotiating with medical service providers. You have a lot more leeway if you have not put debt on a credit card, because a credit card issuer really doesn't care what the charge is.
We found more and more hospitals whose policies are not to report to credit agencies, not to sue patients, all of those things that you might get from a credit card company, you may not get from a hospital. So if you have to owe somebody money, it's probably your provider, not the credit card company.
Absolutely. And I am finding that it is more the norm for providers to offer a payment plan. And in a lot of cases, it's interest-free. You can stretch out that payment over several years and not even pay extra for that convenience. So it's a no-brainer. I mean, even if you could afford to pay it off in full, it could behoove you just to pay it over time. So there is a lot more out there. And like you said, if it's not something that they automatically offer, certainly ask for it. And I would guarantee you somebody within that accounts receivable department, that billing department, is going to be able to point you in the right direction.
If you want more from Laura, you can check out the Money Girl podcast on the Quick and Dirty Tips Network. Keep checking back with us because we've got more on this topic as well. Thanks for watching.